Since eons, this nature has been trying to explain that you must become eligible, worthy, wise and capable. To be powerless, knowledgeless and vulnerable in this universe is to become morsel of death. In material world, the powerful have ruled over all. People who have capacity did wonderful work, and the wise have shown the direction to the civilization and identified the essence of dharma. Today you need knowledge. The knowledge that can take you forward in both the material world and the world beyond matter. To move forward, you should keep improving. You have to make yourself eligible for this progress. Because water and knowledge collect in a vessel. There is knowledge everywhere in nature. You must become eligible. The knowledge will begin to descend in you.